As you begin your day, we are there. Your sturdy bed is expertly welded by Sigma Weld. The toothpaste you rely on, sealed tight by Sigma Cap Seal. Even the mouthwash that keeps you fresh, protected by our expertise. Every step of your routine, made seamless with us by your side. Even your safe and wardrobe, built to protect and secure, come from our welding expertise. The Nutella on your breakfast table, sealed with care by Sigma Cap Seal. From fresh juice to your children's favorite drinks, sealed by Sigma Cap Seal. As you commute, every vehicle you pass, cars, buses, trucks, and trains, runs with parts welded and heat-treated by Sigma Weld and Sigma Therm. Even the lubricants that keep these machines running smoothly, sealed securely by Sigma Cap Seal. Your comfort at work is made possible through air conditioning compressors, shrink-fitted with Sigma Therm induction heating and welded by Sigma Weld. From switchgears, pre-molded by preheating, to the everyday devices you use, like your old phone, all preheated for molding using Sigma Therm's dielectric preheaters. In healthcare, we continue to make an impact. Our heating technology enables precision in the manufacture of tablets and capsules. Each bottle is sealed, and every cap is assembled with care by Sigma Cap Seal. From the steel utensils that serve your family to the bottles of ghee and masala that nourish them, every product is sealed securely by Sigma Cap Seal. Every jar, every flavor sealed to preserve freshness, ensuring your family enjoys the best every day. From the plates on your table to the pickles you savor, our technology touches your life in every way. Forged, annealed, hardened, brazed, sealed, packed, joined, welded. At every step, from the smallest details to the biggest innovations, we are there, touching your life at every turn. Add ED to your thought, and we'll make it happen.